Zion has a reputation for extreme hikes like Angel's Landing, but the park actually has excellent options for beginners and families that don't involve chains or exposed cliff edges. The Riverside Walk is the easiest true trail in the park, a flat, paved path following the Virgin River for about 2.2 miles round trip. It's stroller-friendly in most sections and doubles as the starting point for the Narrows. So even if you're not doing the full river hike, it gives you a taste of the canyon walls up close. Emerald Pools Trail is another strong family option, with a lower pool section that's an easy, mostly flat walk perfect for younger kids, and a middle and upper pool section that adds a bit more elevation if older kids or adults want a slightly longer trek with waterfall views as the reward. Paris Trail is the most accessible trail in the entire park, fully paved, mostly flat, and open to strollers, wheelchairs, and even bikes, making it one of the few Zion trails where accessibility isn't a concern at all.
Weeping Rock, while currently affected by past rockfall closures in some seasons, has historically been a short, steep, but very brief walk to a rock alcove with dripping water, worth checking current status on before planning around it. For families wanting one bigger payoff hike, the lower section of Watchman Trail offers valley views without the extreme exposure of trails like Angel's Landing, and at under 3 miles round trip, it's manageable for most families with some hiking experience. The biggest tip for hiking with kids in Zion: start early, since shade is limited on most trails and temperatures climb fast once the sun is fully up, especially in summer.